Alright, let's get into it. In this video, we're going to be going over using the quick analysis tool, which is a way for us to quickly analyze our numbers in any data set. So first things, we need to get started by duplicating our worksheet. So we're going to go down to the bottom tab. The sheet name is Basic Calculations tab. We're going to right click on it, and then we're going to go to Move or Copy. And next we're just going to create a copy, and we can just move it to the end, and then we'll just click OK. And now this whole sheet has been copied over, and I'm going to rename this sheet as Quick Analysis. You can see it has Basic Calculations number 2 to let it know it's the second copy of the Basic Calculations. But like I said, I'm just going to change this tab name to Quick Analysis. So now to use the Quick Analysis tool, we have to highlight our table. So we're just going to hold Shift Control and the right arrow to quickly highlight to the end of that row, and then click Shift Control and down arrow to highlight everything. So now we have this icon that pops up at the bottom right, and it says Quick Analysis. And you can also use the shortcut, which is Control Q. So we're going to click on that, and then we have a couple options. So first we have formatting, data bars, and you see there's a little live preview that goes on when we hover over data bars. And data bars, it fills in each cell depending on compare it against the other data in that column. And then we have some color schemes, some icon sets, some conditional formatting as well. So this case greater than, so let's click on greater than, and we can choose what number we want the conditional formatting to be as well. So we can click on thing, and we can choose how we want it to do. So we're just going to quickly undo, go back to our Quick Analysis tool. We also have charts, so it'll give you some quick charts if you have any charts that you think make sense. Right now, none of these charts make so much sense for the data that we have, but you can scroll through it and see if there's any charts that look good for you. We have some tables. We already have a table though, so there's no reason for us, but you can turn it into a table. Then we have spark lines at the end. We can use we can use spark lines with lines, columns, then win loss. I think spark lines are better for things that show values over time, and it shows if it's increasing, decreasing over time as well. But you see, with Quick Analysis, we have these different options. We have these different totals, so we can add these sums to every column. Instead of having to maybe go down and do quick sum or alt sum, we can just use this analysis tool to get the sums, the average, the counts. And then we can also have the sum going for the rows, so we can sum the total of each row instead of by the column, the average by row, count by row as well. So we have some tools in there, some quick analysis tools in case we don't want to have to fill out all the formulas. Once all of our data is already kind of formatted in this table, we can use that quick analysis tool